Good day everybody. So I'm back here with the wife Steffi and we're standing up on the beautiful Mount Irving beach in Tobago. Let me show you real quick. Look at that. Stephanie, look at Mount Irving beach.
Crazy.
And the tide is insanely low. I'll show you that before I get to the point of what I'm going to tell you next. But look at this low tide here at Mount Irving. Unreal. All the reef is like exposed and sticking out of the water. But let me return to my wife here. So as I said, we're in Tobago and we've been invited to a villa called Miles Away Villa. It's a really beautiful place and we've been asked to stay and check it out. We're going to go and have a look. So of course you guys can see this villa will be available for rentals. I've heard really great things, but of course seeing is believing. So we're going to check it out and I'll show you the directions to get there and a full nice little review of the property. We'll spend a day and a night there, check it out, check out some beaches around the area as well, and hopefully this provides a good guide for you guys to Tobago. Are you expecting a fantastic villa?
I am.
You excited?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Are you going to swim in the pool and be like a stush diva?
I'll swim in the pool, but I won't be a stush diva.
That's good to know. Stephanie will not be a stush diva on this trip. Yeah, I nearly fell on a rock. But anyway, and she's laughing at me. But come along for this journey, guys. I'm sure it's going to be fantastic. I've done 1 or 2 villas in Tobago already, so this is another option for you when you're coming to stay in Trinidad and Tobago, or specifically Tobago in this case. So check it out. Let's see how it's looking. I hope you enjoy.
Bye guys.
Alright guys, so we've reached the beautiful Miles Away Villa. So I just wanted to let you know before we went in that this villa, the owner has told me, was named after a song called Miles Away by a band years around the sun. So if you want to look that up on YouTube, I would have liked to use it for this video, but you know YouTube has copyright problems and stuff, so you're not going to hear that song in the video. But if you want a little extra inspiration for this villa, look up that video on YouTube and take it in. Super relaxing, super chill, which is what we're expecting at this villa here. So without further ado, we heading in. So I hope you guys enjoyed this small introduction. So I'm going to follow the wife here now and we're going to go into the rooms and every area of the house. Have a look. So far what we've seen is absolutely stunning. Like super like owner's touch going on here. This, you know,
very much a personal touch.
A very personal touch. Like, I mean, I'm very blown away. So I'm going to follow Steph now. Let's go and check out the main bedrooms and everything else this place has to offer. Later on, we'll see if we get a little sunset, a dip in the pool, and I'll show you a beach that we'll probably go to later. That's only about 3 minutes drive from here as well. Alright guys, so we're entering the main bedroom right now, the master bedroom. And I will say also, you can have a beautiful villa, but the service that has come in this place as well. Right now we're in here, the air conditioner is on first, the television is on and ready, everything is prepared Absolutely fantastic and top-notch service going on here to match the place itself. So there's this lovely comfortable bed. Here's the bathroom. So this is the other main bedroom on the mid-level floor. There's a basement area as well as an upstairs area. So this is what I would say maybe is the second master bedroom. And this also looks beautiful and super comfortable.
Yeah, I love it.
Let's check out the bathroom. That's me, hi. So we're heading upstairs to the family room, or where the kids could have their bedroom as well.
Super cute. I think it's perfect for a family.
Yes.
You know, mom and dad and then the kids.
So there's one bed, a bunk bed, and then a main bed. And a happy rainbow.
Yeah.
And of course its own bathroom. All these rooms are air conditioned. So we're heading downstairs now, where there's a kind of basement liming area to chill out. Let's go and check it out. So when you come downstairs, there's two sections. One is the laundry room with a sink and a spare freezer and stuff. So you can do all your clothes and everything like that. And then let's go and check out the other room. So we're here in the other room, and I can only imagine this is a room to relax.
Entertainment.
There's like couches, entertainment room as Steph says. There's a little TV down here. The house is littered with surfboards and skateboards. I'm told on good merit that the owner is a surfer, much like myself. I can't promise you the surfboards will be there for your use. I believe this is private items belonging to the owner. So bring your own surfboard when you come in. And yeah, this downstairs area also connects to right outside, where there's the driveway for the cars. And its own bathroom again downstairs here. So needless to say, you're really covered when you come to this place. There's like so much space, so much rooms. It's made for a large family. Granted, if you wanted to come here with just you and your significant other, I mean, this is a paradise villa for sure.
I would like never leave.
Stephanie would never leave. Stephanie is pretty much suggesting that I should now live here permanently with her. So let's go and have a look at the balcony and the pool area outside. It just keeps getting better. So before we head outside, we're just walking around the main area in the house here. Again, I love all the little details. The guitar, the surfboard. Really gives that kind of beautiful surf villa vibe going here, which is everything to me. Again, bring your own surfboard because they're not going to give you these surfboards. But just again, the detail everywhere, the mirrors, the pineapple mirror, towels for you. And then, beautiful kitchen here. There's all the information here.
Touch.
Yeah, nice personal touch here.
Mrs. Charles.
Mr. and Mrs. Charles. Stephanie's really impressed when people refer to us in our married capacity. So it's all good.
It's exciting.
Even a lovely candle here.
Candles everywhere.
Yes, there's candles everywhere. So beautiful, and look at the kitchen. Really nice kitchen. Of course, you'll have to bring your own stuff and food and whatever, but the point is the kitchen is fully set up for cooking and organizing everything that you would need. Kettles, stoves, beautiful fridge, everything top notch. Alright, so now we're gonna head outside, and there's two outsides. There's the side here that I'm gonna go with Steph that takes us to a dining area with a beautiful view, and then there's over here where the pool is. But let's check this one out first. So you could come out here, have nice lunch, breakfast and dinner with an epic view. And speaking of epic views, look at that. In the distance there, that's like Mount Irving and Grange Bay, where we'll be checking out later. But just so many nice personal touches. Beautiful, beautiful setup. So that was the first outside. Now we're going by the pool area because everybody wants to see that, of course. Well, you definitely can't hate on a beautiful pool like this. This place is absolutely stunning. perfect villa getaway if you're coming to Tobago, especially with a larger family. There's so many rooms and stuff to be had. But again, to me, as an individual, this would be a great place to stay if you just wanted a lot of extra room and space, and probably perfect for up to 10 people, maybe even a bit more, you know, families with kids and stuff. Absolutely stunning. Take a look at the yard out there. You know, coming to Tobago and the Caribbean is often associated with chilling in the sunshine and beautiful blue skies, but you know what? Rain is really beautiful as well too. Super relaxing when you're chilling, especially at a place like this.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A nomad passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. I found my way. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way. My way. My way. My way. My way. Cause I found my way. My way.
So we're going into the pool now, and it is mad hot because it is Tobago in the Caribbean. So I'm making sure and lube up my face real good. And then we're going into this magnificent water here. Sparkling. Well, the pool water is simply incredible. I will say one thing, but I'll have to confirm with the owners. It is warm. It feels like this pool is mildly heated. Stephanie was the first to discover it when she came in.
Shocked.
Do you think it's heated, or do you think the sun is just making it hot?
I've been in pools that the sun is like blazing on and it's still cold, so
Exactly.
it has to be.
So we suspect this may be a heated pool, which is a cool little touch. That means you could come,
To find out.
stay tuned to find out. I now save a spider from the pool as well too. Let's see if we can see it. You see them there? And I saved that. He was drifting in the pool and I saved his life or her life or whatever it is. Really best villa, you know. I've been privileged enough to explore quite a few villas in Tobago so far, and hopefully many more to come. I'm coming to realize that There's almost no bad villas and properties in Tobago, especially ones that are of this size and nature and up for rental with people. Stephanie's enjoying herself moving around me. But yeah, this one is definitely up there with one of the best that I've seen to date. Really, really special touches all around. It is to some extent a family home that they're just beginning to rent slowly to people who they trust to take care of the property. This is not a place that you come and have wild parties and excessive youth and that kind of thing. Not at all. That's definitely shaking her head in the background there. For somebody who's going to enjoy the really fine taste of art and different things, the effort that went into making this villa, everything is just extremely beautiful. When you walk in here, you feel vacation, you feel Caribbean and relaxed. There's a mixture of comfort but with nature as well too. So really, really awesome. And I feel very lucky that I get invited to do these things, you know. And Stephanie gets to come.
I know.
Yes.
Not always. Sometimes you take Jono and Dumpling.
Yes, I take Jono and Dumpling sometimes, so she doesn't like them at all. Stephanie hates Jono and Dumpling.
Abby and I need to get invited more often.
Abby is Jono's wife, by the way,
yes,
so in case
yes.
people don't know who we're talking about. Hey Abby, you're in this video by word of mouth. And Coda, who's Jono's baby. Anyway, everyone, I hope you thoroughly enjoyed this visit to Miles Away Villa. I'll put all the information down below in the
description.
I'll put all the information down below in the description for contacts and all that kind of information. Pricing does vary from season to season, but you can message them directly via their email or on Instagram and find out all the info that you need to know. Highly, highly recommend this place. You will not be disappointed. Quite spacious, beautiful touches, and everything you could possibly need in a villa. Come to Tobago, support the economy, and yeah, babe, what do you think?
I think it was amazing, and I can't wait to come back.
Stephanie can't wait to come back. Unfortunately for her, it's the last time we'll ever be here, because we don't stay in these nice villas. I'm just kidding, but yeah, guys, check them out. Hit them up on Instagram. Completely worth it. Have a great day. See you next round for next week's vlog. Peace.
Bye, guys.
Bye.